Hi, Simon Murphy here, founder at 𝗎𝗏𝗄𝗀𝗲.co. Help UK expats and foreign nationals to buy or refinance UK property wherever they may live in the world. In this short video, I'm going to give you a couple of quick but valuable guides on how much you can borrow, what kind of rates to expect, and the basic steps of the mortgage process, all from the perspective of being a non-resident and looking to secure UK property finance. So let's start with the big question that most people ask, which is how much can I actually borrow? Now, most lenders will go to 75% of the loan to value. We have a couple of lenders now giving out products at 80%, which is excellent news. Now, there is something quite surprising about buy-to-let mortgages in the UK for expat and foreign nationals, because the amount you can borrow is not just based on your personal income, but rather on the rental yield of the property. So some lenders may want to see a minimum earning income of maybe somewhere between 25 and 75, but I also work with lenders that have no requirement whatsoever or minimum income at all. A recent example of this, I had a client I was working with. Well, they were on relatively modest income of between 20 and 30 personal income per year, but they had a strong property portfolio, lots of experience, good rental yields, and across their portfolio we were able to secure over $1 million in mortgage lending. So it's quite surprising what you can achieve, more than you might think initially. Now, that second question, which is around rates, what kind of rates can we expect? Well, if you're a premium client, good income, good credit, and you're likely to expect rates in the range of 4.75 to 5.25 for buy-to-let lending. For other clients that may not meet those key criteria points, certainly around personal income, then we may be looking at the 5.5 to 6.25 range for 5-year fixed, I'm talking. Other things that affect rates is where the property is, the location of the property, what type of property it is it an HMO, is it short-term let? So there's quite a number of factors that can affect it. But, you know, we work with many different people, lots of different scenarios, and I'm sure we can find a solution. Now, the third area is what is the process? And I'm going to break this down into perhaps 4 areas. And the first one is document collection. So that's your usual things, proof of income, passport, all that sort of thing. And then we submit that for an approval in principle. We usually can get that inside a week, and there's no cost for that first step. Now, the second step is collecting some of the fees that are involved. That's lender, broker fees, or valuation fees, depending on the deal. Step 3 is the lender will then do their due diligence, such as underwriting, the valuation is returned. And so from an approval in principle to the full offer, you should allow around 4 to 6 weeks. Now, after the offer is out, the solicitor takes over, and this is the 4th area. They do the legals. You can expect sort of 5 to 7 weeks to the completion day. So all up, really, you're talking 9 to 14 weeks, depending on how quickly all of those parties move for you. So in summary, if you're an expat, if you're a foreign national looking to invest in the UK, or to refinance some of your existing portfolio, and you want a bit more clarity on what you can do, and what you can borrow and what can be expected, then I'm very happy to have a chat with you. Please feel free to visit my website, 𝗎𝗏𝗄𝗀𝗲.co.uk. You can also follow me on the socials, LinkedIn, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and you can book a video call with me on my Calendly link as well. So I've been Simon Murphy. Thank you for listening, and I hope to speak to you very soon to discuss your UK property plans wherever you are in the world. So thank you for listening.